Hi there. Today we are going to talk about example 5.17, call options to be used by grain producers. In our last assignment, in an example 5.16, we used call options as a grain purchaser, which is the most common method that people are going to use call options. But as you'll find out, call options are a great tool to be used even for a grain seller. So let's look at today's assignment and see if we can't get a grasp of this topic. Okay, problem 1, old crop corn call option strategy. It is fall and I just harvested my corn crop. A widespread drought has pushed corn price upwards. I believe that prices will move even higher into spring, but I don't have any storage space available. Also, am I concerned about a major price decline in corn prices? July futures price is $3.40 and current cash price is $2.90. An at the money July call with a strike price of $3.40 has a premium of 20 cents. So as we learned earlier this year, we know that it costs money to store grain, whether we have it at our own storage facility or in town. This is a really neat strategy that lets us take advantage of our crop prices going up without paying any storage cost. Basically what we're going to be doing is selling our corn out of the field in the fall and then buying a call option back that allows us to repurchase our own corn if prices go up. In other words, it's a way to sell our corn, have our money in our hand now, and then buy this call option and use it as a tool to take advantage if prices go up. So, what is my projected minimum price at harvest? Well, it says right here, current cash price is $2.90. So we sell. We sell cash corn at $2.90. Of that $2.90, we're going to buy this option back. It has a premium of 20 cents. So we're left over with a realized floor price $2.70. So we have $2.70 per bushel in our pocket. If price goes down further, so what? We are already locked in. We have our corn sold. If price goes up, we're going to be able to make some money in the option. Let's see what happens here. Letter B, what's my projected net price of July futures price is $2.20 in June? Oh, big deal. We already have a realized floor price of $2.70. We're already sold. So if corn goes down, so what? What is my projected net price if July futures price is $3 in June? Well, so corn has gone down. We've already sold again. We have our option has a strike price of $3.40. We can buy our corn back if July futures price goes over $3.40. Well, in this case, it's only $3, so that doesn't help us any. July futures price when we sold our cash corn was $3.40 anyway, so it's $3. It's lower. Okay, D. What's my projected net price if July futures price is $3.80? Okay, well, what are we going to do? We can exercise our option. We can do a lot of things. We can exercise our option. That allows us to buy corn at, buy July futures at $3.40. We could then sell that same contract back at the current market price of 380. That we automatically then have a gain 40 cents a bushel. Okay, what do we do with that 340? We had the realized floor price of 270. We already had sold our corn for 290. We took 20 cents out of that 290 to buy the option. That left us 270. Now we get to gain 40 cents and add that to the price. So we end up with a price of $3.10. Our new realized price then is $3.10 a bushel. That's our projected price. That's if we exercise the option. Well, in reality, what we're going to do, we're going to sell that option back because we want to capture some extrinsic value also. Okay. In this case, the July option premium is now 50 cents. If we exercise the option, we gained 40 cents. Okay, that's how we projected that realized price at 310. In reality, though, the price of this option is going to go up even further. It's going to, in this case, it went up to 50 cents. Why? Remember, options are bought and sold just like underlying futures contracts. So in this case, the traders are willing to pay 10 cents over exercise value, in other words, extrinsic value, and therefore, if we sell it, we are going to gain that extra 10 cents. So we sell the option for 50 cents. We have our previous price of 270. Remember, we sold cash corn for 290, and then we bought the option for 20 cents. That left us 270. Now we sell the option back. We get to go ahead and put that 50 cents right on top of that 270. So now we have a realized price of $3.20. In this case, corn went up. We have already sold our corn. It's gone. But because we bought the option, when corn went up in price, we were able to take advantage of that upswing in price. Okay, so let's look at number 2 now. Again, we're a call option strategy for a corn producer. Old crop corn call option strategy. It is fall and I have just harvested my corn crop. A widespread drought has pushed corn price upwards. I believe that prices will move even higher into spring, but I don't have any storage space available. Also, I am concerned about a major decline in corn prices. July futures price is $5.60 a bushel with a current cash price of $5. An at the money strike price option of $5.60, in other words, July call has a premium of 40 cents. So if I sell my corn, and buy the call option, what's my projected minimum selling price at harvest? Okay, it says right here, current cash price is $5. So we sell corn at cash price of $5. Okay, and at the money, strike price of $5.60. That's what July futures price is now. Cash price was $5. We buy this call option for a premium of 40 cents. That leaves us a floor price now of $4.60. That's what's left over. We sold our cash corn in town. We took 40 cents of it and bought this option. That leaves us $4.60. So, what is my floor price, or excuse me, my projected net price if July futures price is $4.20? 460. We already have 460 in our pocket, so it doesn't matter if corn goes down. That's the beauty of this system. If we left our corn in the bin and corn went down, guess what? We take a lower price. We're not locked in. Case C, what is my projected net price of July futures price is $5 in June. Well, we have a call option with a strike price of $5.60. So is this option going to have value? No, we're not going to buy at $5.60 when the futures price is $5. So we're still with the floor price of $4.60. What is my projected net price of July futures price is $6.80 in June. Wow, okay. Well, if that's the case, we are going to exercise our option. In theory, as you know, we are actually going to sell it back later, but for now we get to buy corn at, remember now, our strike price is $5.60. So we are allowed to buy corn at $5.60. The open market is $6.80. That gives us a profit right there, or a gain of $1.20. We take that $1.20 gain and add that to our $4.60 that we already got. We end up with $5.80. So, in other words, we exercised the option, we bought at $5.60, we get to turn on and sell it at $6.80. That's a gain of $1.20. We add that to the $4.60, which is what we already had in our pocket from a previous sale. That gives us a realized price of $5.80. Okay, what is my actual net price? If July futures price is $6.80 in June, cash price is $6.50, and the July option premium is $1.32. Well, first of all, cash price is irrelevant. I've already sold my corn. I have no more cash corn to sell. It's already gone. But I do sell the option back for $1.32 a bushel. My previous price was $4.60. I now have $5.92 in my pocket, which is 12 cents better than the previous example of $5.80. Why? This option is $1.20 in the money, but the option premium is now $1.32. We have 12 cents of extrinsic value due to the demand on the board, and therefore we're going to sell this option, take advantage of that 12 cents of extrinsic value. Therefore, we lock in a realized price of $5.92. Again, so we have just taken advantage of call options as a grain seller. They allow us to take advantage of price increases in our grain without storing and maintaining those bushels. Hopefully this makes sense. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to drop me an email, give me a call, stop by my office. I'll do my very best to help you out with these concepts.